Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a Discord server. So if this video helps you, subscribe. I really appreciate it. So there are two ways. First of all, if you want to leave one or if you want to delete your own that you created. So I'm going to show you how to leave one. So let's say I want to leave this server. Take the server, right click on it and then click on leave server just like that. And then it's going to ask if you want to leave, click on leave server and how to delete one. So go to your own server and then click on it and then at the top click on here, and if this video helps, subscribe. I want you to do is find server settings here, click on it, then go to the bottom till you find delete server and click on delete server. Now you need to enter your server name, so I'm going to enter the name. Okay, and click on delete server, and this is how you delete a server. So I hope this video helped you. Subscribe.